Hello, Assalamu alaikum Pakistan. Welcome to Uncle's Talk Show. Uncle, you have been talking a lot about war strategy and war solution for Pakistan and India between that we talked about last week, right? So this week we have a different topic and I would like you to comment on this topic. My question is, what is the human spirit, like the human spirit and Pakistani youth? So please tell,
and the Pakistani youth.
and the Pakistani youth. So please comment on this topic. Then you will make one or two video. This is a part one. Yes, sir.
All right, Tar Farooq, always welcome to the program. And I'll speak in English again. And if I have to speak some in Urdu, the crowd and the viewers are more than welcome to have me in Urdu as well, because that's our national language. But let me improve the English of the youth, because the Pakistan is not doing much in any sense of the word. It's a bad, lazy, lousy way to continue life, everyday life. I sound angry, but I'm not angry. Your senior citizen, Uncle Farooqi, Uncle Mujahid Farooqi, Uncle Stocks. That's our channel. Want to renew the channel, give you the best of the knowledge and best utility of your time. The human spirit. First of all, I should decide you and I should define you what human spirit is. Human spirit is the most precious jewel and the energy in your alive system, that's body and yourself. All right? So the spirit comes right down from your guts to your mouth and your brain and to your heart. First of all, you should know what a spirit is. There is no catalyst like a spirit to make you rise or to make you successful or to make you or to convert you into an extraordinary human being after your untiring effort to reach your goals and objectives. What I don't see in the young people of Pakistan, this spirit, it's almost dead. They are only talking rubbish. I hang around in little hotels around San Jose, especially in Model Colony, and it's a shame what our youngsters talk about. They talk about in such a lousy, such a filthy, such a stupid way to express themselves to their friend or to their colleagues or to their classmate. They're talking about somebody owes somebody some money, and it becomes a point of discussion. It becomes something you call in our society such a bad expression. Topi. It's shameful. What is topi? Why do you want to deceive? Why do you want to fraud? Why do you want to make people false promises? Why do you want this kind of lies to propagate and leave its effect in people's nature and let them feel or enjoy as a humor that somebody deceived somebody has just jerked off somebody has not spoken the truth, and people feel great because somebody has cheated on you, somebody has done the forgery with you, somebody has done the fraud with you, and that becomes the symbol of intelligence. That's a kind of young man you want to represent Pakistan in such a filthy manner, and to be a dishonest, lousy, low-class human being, like a loafer, like a street bum, like a vagabond. What else should I call you? Listen now. Spirit is the most precious jewel, as I said in the early part of this video. In how you construct it, develop your faith in Allah Almighty, the Lord of the Lords, the King of the Kings. Start your day with a nice shower. Go to the prayers. Read Quran Pak every single day. Don't be such a lousy sleeper who is sleeping till 10, 11, 12 in the morning. Huh? Because you don't want to wake up. Because mother is going to make breakfast. Or the young sister who is doing you the favor to make you the breakfast and taking it to your bed. Yeah, or you go to the kitchen and you are the king of the house because you woke up around 12 and then you eat like a hungry man, like an idiot, and you have no respect for nothing because you want to eat, then you want to shit in your day's time. Now what do? You hang out with your mobile, with your Android, with your laptop, with your computer. Those are the only tools which can grow your spirit. How stupid you can be, huh? I should call you the click man, not the click man. The click, stupid, idiotic man. You understand what I mean by the real spirit? It is not coming from the click and these stupids. Huh? TikTok. What is that? Huh? In you, thumb up, and it goes in millions. Huh? Ooh, ha. What do you mean by that? You don't study geography. You don't read National Geography. You don't read Times. You don't want to know what is happening in America. You don't want to know what is happening around you. What is happening in Japan? Why can't be you like a Japanese? Why can't be you like an American? Huh? Like a Singaporean? Like a Korean? Huh? You dumbass? You want to insult Pakistan in that manner? I think that is enough to construct this spirit. Start with your faith. Start with cleanliness. Be disciplined. Don't deceive. Don't lie. And be respectful to your parents and to your society and to your country. Pakistan, Zindabad.